Are we rolling? What do you usually say? Give it to me again. Hey y'all, welcome back. It's BetheBeat. And I know I look a little different right now. You would probably think I'm in a new body. This is a new body. And if you don't know, now you do. And if you don't know, that also means that you're new here. And you know, it's okay if you're new here. But we're gonna get into this mug. And we're gonna get into how I transformed into fucking BetheBeat. Oh, do you cuss? Anyway. Next. I'm about to spray your face.
Oh my god. You get on my nerves. Please get going. Okay, time to get serious. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. This is BetheBeat, if you didn't already know. So today I'm going to be doing makeup on my cousin at The Verbal Diary on Instagram. She has a podcast, so go ahead and follow her and get your life. Every Sunday she releases episodes. But anywho, so I've already started by prepping her skin and also applying NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I believe that's the name of the foundation, but I will leave all products listed below. So I've also applied some Tarte Shapetape concealer under her eyes and the center of her face, as well as a cream contour stick. Well, it's actually a cream foundation stick by Black Opal. I'm using a lighter one to further highlight, and I've also used the darker shade to contour her skin. So now that I've got that laid down, I'm going to just start working on her brows so I can conceal them. Her brows already have a nice structured shape, so I'm just going to fill them in, make them a little bit more pronounced. And I'm carving those out with Tarte Shapetape as well. This concealer is like everything. It's a must-have in your kit or for your own face. So I'm just concealing them, and now I'm going with more NARS foundation on top of her brow to shape up the top. I do not use a lighter color on the top of the brow because it gives you that halo effect, and we don't do that, okay? So I'm just going to begin blending all that concealer out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at BetheBeatMUA.
She is, Maya has entered the chat. Maya entered the chat. See myself?
They're gonna be fine.
Coming to you.
You should have told me.
You're smiling so hard.
So weak. My cousins are so silly. But anyway, now I'm going to blend out her contour with a Real Techniques brush. These brushes are a godsend, so please go to your local Ulta and shop for Real Techniques brushes. They're cheap and they're efficient. But anyway, I'm just blending out that contour, which was the Black Opal cream foundation stick. And now I'm going to go underneath that contour and just clean it up a bit with a little bit of concealer mixed in with her foundation. And you just want to blend that away. You don't want to see those harsh lines, but you do want to create some definition on the face. So now I'm just setting her under eye area. And she was running away from me so hard. I'm like, girl, if you don't be still. But I'm setting her under eye and all concealed areas with Laura Mercier translucent powder. My go-to powder, okay? And now I'm using the Juvia's Place, I believe it's a Masquerade mini eyeshadow palette, and I'm also going to use the Makeup for Melanin Girls Power palette. So mixing those two colors together and just working it on the outer V. I'm also going to apply a little shimmery orange in the center and a sparkly gold in the inner third of the eyes. So we were going for a super like glowy, like just super glowy and sun-kissed look. We were gonna go get some pictures outside for her The Verbal Diary podcast page, because you know your girl is getting her brand off the ground. So we wanted a super like sun-kissed look, so that's why we went with like the bronze, the gold, the oranges. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna dust away that excess powder. And she would not be still. I had to hold her head. Oh my god. Us two together, we can't be serious, but anyway, just watch. She was truly doing the most. She kept running from me and my brushes. But anyway, make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, because once I hit 6,000 subscribers, I will be doing a huge giveaway. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Just hit it, okay? All your email accounts. Subscribe. Anyway, I'm just going to take more of that Laura Mercier translucent powder and set her forehead and blend that into the skin, just melting it on in. We want melted skin, okay? And she's feeling herself. She's seeing it come together. And I'm just gonna warm up her nose a little bit, do a little nose shading. I'm not gonna necessarily call it a nose contour. We're gonna do some nose shading, okay? You want to take that translucent powder right up the center of the nose. That really helps to shape the nose and give it definition once you just blanked it all out with foundation. Now it is time to bronze her skin, warm it up some, and I'm taking this baked bronzer by Makiage. I believe it's called Back to Black, but I will leave it listed below in the description box. Make sure you check the description box for all details and all products that I've used on her face. But yes, I'm just taking this bronzer to warm up her skin and give her that sun-kissed glow like I said. That sun-kissed glow, y'all know what I meant, okay? But now I'm going in with some blush by Makiage as well. I will leave the name down below, but this blush is super just bronzy and golden orange. It looks beautiful on my women of color, so go get you some, okay? I'm taking that all through the cheeks. I ain't scared of it. And now I'm taking Swiss Chocolate by MAC. It's a blush as well, but today I'm using it to contour her skin. I'm just going to set that contour in place and give her a little cut on the cheeks, chisel her bones. And this is my favorite part. Look at facing in the back. Anyway, I'm using a highlighter by MAC. I believe I was using Global Glow, probably. Lord, now it's time to do her lower lash line. This took forever because she would not be still. It was a hassle, but we got it done. We did a pop of pink to add a little color to the look, but it looks good. And so now I'm just going to apply her lashes. Y'all go ahead and follow the Posh Plug Beauty on Instagram. This is a lash line that my sister and I are collaborating on and launching very, very soon, so be on the lookout for that. But this is one of our sample pairs, and it looks really nice on my cousin. It really popped on her eyes. I didn't want to use a super heavy lash on her, but I did want to add some fluff to the look because don't nobody want no little thin beauty supply store lash, okay? But they look really good. Now I'm just going to finish her skin with a whole lot of Fix Plus. As y'all know, I use tons of Fix Plus. I just bought that bottle and it's almost empty. But anyway, now onto her lips. I'm using Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC. And child, baby girl got some smooth lips, okay? Like, that pencil glided on my cousin's lips like it just melted on like butter, and I was just so impressed because everybody's lips don't do that. But anyway, I'm also using a NYX Lip Lingerie Liquid lipstick on the center of her lips. I do not remember the shade color, but I will link it down below. So I'm just blending that out, giving her a little ombre look, and she getting a little selfie, okay? That's how you know she's feeling it. Now I'm going to set that makeup look with some Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray.
The face, the body.
She is so crazy. Oh my gosh. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave any questions or comments below. Peace and love. Thank you for watching.
That's on Periana.
Okay, Periana.